Well, shooting's half the fun. Now we got to clean it. Alright, there's nothing, no magazine, nothing in the chamber. What we'll do is press this button here. This is the Ruger Mark IV, by the way. Push the button, bring it up, take your bolt, set your receiver down, and take out your recoil spring assembly. Take it out, let it drop down as it falls out. I use an all-in-one cleaner. It works for me. I'll spray the bolt face, and I'll spray the inside of the barrel here. Spray some on the breech and inside the receiver. And while that's doing its thing, I'll take a swab. I'll go in here and get the trigger area, get any fouling or any deposits that's built up. It's usually not too bad, but it all adds up if you don't do it. Okay, and for the recoil spring, what I do is just give it a good wipe down here. And the bolt, I'll take a brush, wipe down the outside, get these channels here, firing pin channel, and for the face, I'll give it a good scrubbing, get up underneath the ejector, making sure that's free of debris or any type of fouling. And on the breech, give it a good little scrub. Get the feed ramp. Use a brush on the inside. It's just a nylon brush. Then I'll take that same Q-tip and just go in here and get out any kind of stuff that was left behind from the brush. It's usually not too bad in here, except for the breech. Breech, it does get dirty. Yep, get dirty. Alright, now for cleaning the barrel itself, some use a bore snake. Sometimes I do, and sometimes I just like using the old patch. What I'll do is I'll run as many as needed until the patches come out clean, which I just fired off 10 rounds earlier, so that's really not enough to get the weapon really dirty. Once again, run it through, and it's pretty clean. And this is an all-in-one, but you don't want any too much of anything in the barrel. So when I'm finally satisfied that it's as clean as she's going to be, what I'll do is I'll get a semi-dry patch and just wet one little area, barely moisten it, and then just run it through. Okay, barrel's done. Bolt, recoil spring assembly. Let's go ahead and reassemble. Put that in here. Take this, put it back just a hair. Sometimes they cooperate, sometimes they don't. Pull it just a hair and push it in. Yeah, come on, off camera, this will be fine. Make sure it's even here. Alright, nice and even. And for the lube, I'll give the extractor just a little squirt there. One there, one there. And I'll take my rag and I'll just wipe off any excess so it's not too much lube on it. This don't have to be lubed. It's already taken care of for the bolt purpose. Put the bolt back in it. Take your trigger and your frame. It has a little notch here that goes in there. Push it down. Snapshot. Function check. Alright, she's good. Appreciate you watching. Have a nice day.